Also, as per the previous order, the status report has come. It is office notice 24/10/2024 and flag is S. No PWs has turned. The next date is 6 for remand on 6/11.
Yes, sir. This is the present status.
Yes, Lordship. And today is the 778 days, Lordship. The petition is behind the bar.
Scan copy may
And-
be called for, my lord.
Lordship, we are on parity, Lordship. The Lordship has passed an order date 24/7/2024. It is almost 3 months. Even after one of the petitioners got, one of the accusers got the bail, they have yet to start the witness, the evidence, Lordship. And the one accused number 3, which one is absconder, has already given the zimma of the truck. Lordship,
There
can-
also one petitioner, I mean,
One,
accused shown as an abscond.
yes, Lordship. And because of which the trial is yet to be start, Lordship. And you will find in page number 47, annexure number 6, Lordship. He has filed one zimma for his truck, and the zimma has already been allowed
To state accused
to the,
three.
yes, Lordship, who is the absconder. And Lordship, by order dated 24, annexure number 7, page number 50, Lordship has granted bail to the other accused, Manish Kumar, Lordship.
But that is after perusal of the, my lord, scan copy, my lord. Your lordship order dated, my lord, 24/7, para 4, my lord.
Okay, can copy. But
Yes. So
so
scan
what
copy.
is the status report now presently? Earlier it was prepared. There are materials whatever. But the question is that it was delayed proceeding because one of the accused was still absconding.
my-
That was the main ground posted for considering the bail. Now, presently, whether there is any information that PW prosecution started their evidences
My
or
lord, for that, my lord, we have to call for the scan copy of the, my lord,
Lordship,
and the status report otherwise.
status report is already there.
Status report
Marcus
is
flag
From
S.
the honorable court.
Yes, it's from the honorable court only.
we can do
praying
one
for-
thing. I'll just if they admitted that the charges has already been submitted. And what about the supplementary charge?
Is already there, Lordship. Already there. And in that,
Against that
that
particular
yes, Lordship, particular accused, Ranjit Singh, who is
Against-
absconder, and he is given the zimma of the truck also. In spite of knowing that this person is absconder and supplementary charges also named him. In spite of
See,
that,
Mr. Sharma, and from the status report, obviously it is seen that it is mentioned about the filing of the charge sheet and all supplementary charge sheet, and the case is the next date is 6/11/2024 for production, and there is no any order of any evidence is there is no such kind of order because supplementary charge sheet is already there,
Hmm.
and that particular accused is most probably still absconding.
Hmm.
So if that be the position, if you want to any, I'll pass the order in the chamber. Do you have any want to take any instruction?
My lord, without going through, my lord, the case record, and my lord, at least the status report.
status report is already there.
Status report is
Is there.
Sir, but it is an expert, it may be called from the, my lord, honorable court.
Lordship,
Honorable court only.
Yes.
Lordship, if I may allow, I have the e-court order of the previous day. If I may allow to produce.
No,
Yes. You can.
not reflected in the cause, not reflected in the cause list, man. Not reflected in the cause list.
Okay.
Oh, you say. Oh,
You can give a printout.
Yes, Lordship, I'll.
What your order says.
Lordship, as per the accused, Pankaj Kumar is produced from jail through video conferencing. Accused is remanded back to jail till 5/11. The case is already listed on 6 for production. Remand till. And the next date is, the next purpose is remand till next hearing 5/11.
Prior to date, is there any place for hearing and all? There,
Lordship. Lordship, there is no order is not reflected. It is just showing order passed. Remand till 22nd 10/2024.
and if there is any evidence that the evidence of
No, Lordship,
cases
nothing,
record is
nothing.
not.
Lordship.
That's the position for Mama. So, and
7 or 78 days, Lordship. I'm only on long incursion and on penalty, Lordship.
Get any instructions, just supply to us if there is any.
Yes,
But obviously, the case is for the production only and the other person is still.
my lord, my thing is, my point is that, my lord, from the date of my lord death order, my lord, your lordship order, some progress may be there in the trial, my lord. That may be,
The last order was passed in fact.
yes, my lord.
It was
Your
the
lordship.
order that the proceeding, I mean, the trial could not be initiated due to absence of one of the accused who is
Yes.
shown as secondary effect.
My lord.
But however, we find out that if there is any progress in investigation, that's why the present status report was called for.
That
But
is
from
the
the
status.
status report also seems that hope it has been established. But if you have any instruction, then you can.
No, my lord, this is a certiorari matter. I have not any instruction. Instruction from the, my lord, honorable court only.
The honorable court, as per order, must file that status report.
Yes, ma'am. That may be considered, my lord.
Otherwise, we don't
Yeah.
have any. See to it, if we get
Okay.
any, you give the response,
Lordship, I will.
copy, and prior to that, is there any date is fixed for evidence and all? You just try to record 4 or 5 dates.
Okay, Lordship.
Then you
I'll get that.
will pass.
Okay,
Yeah.
Lordship.
Yes.
This is a lordship.
Yes. Now
No.
today you are okay?
Yes, yes, Palak. Recovered.
Recover.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, madam. In this case, the petitioner before your lordship was arrested on 6/10/2023.
610.
Yes, madam. 6/10/2023 in connection of an offence which is madam, registered as special NDPS case number 103 of 2022, madam. Yes, madam. And thus briefly place the allegations of the FIR, madam, which starts from page 11, madam. What happened in this manner? The prosecution apprehended one vehicle.
You have received the
My lord, scan
Sorry.
copy received, my lord, I have gone through.
Ah.
And my lord, SARS is not framed yet, my lord.
And my lord, it
And
is,
he is the owner of that, my lord,
Yes.
vehicle.
I'll explain, my lord, so my lord, in this case, it was alleged that when the prosecution, my lord, stopped one vehicle, the driver of the said vehicle fled away. It was in the morning hours, my lord, 5 a.m. He fled away, my lord. And when the prosecution, my lord, and the police searched the vehicle, they found 9,900 bottles of cough syrup, my lord. My lord, this incident happened on 10/7/2022. The FIR was registered on 11/7/2022, my lord. Yes. So, my lord, the police seized the vehicles along with this contraband, my lord, and thereafter, my lord, they also seized two another vehicles. My lord, this vehicle is a dumper, my lord. These are used for carrying sands and soil, my lord. This vehicle, which is
your vehicle.
yes, madam. Now, my lord, in connection with this, my lord, another two vehicles. One is tipper, my lord. Another truck is called tipper, my lord. This is also used for carrying sand. And another, my lord, the JCB that we use for digging ponds and my lord, soil work was also seized. I'll take a lordship to this because it has relevance, my lord. These vehicles were seized, my lord. One of such vehicle belongs to my brother, my lord. My younger brother, Shahid Ahmad, page 30 may kindly be seen at this stage, my lord. Page 30. Yes, Mala, this is the these two vehicles, Mala, tripper and one dumper was also seized by the police, my lord, along with this vehicle. These vehicles. So, Mala, this honorable court, my lord, granted them Jimma to my brother and his friend, my lord. Tajia Begum and Shahid Ahmad, they are my lord friends. And this vehicle, my lord, it was my brother purchased in my name because he is into this business, my lord, carrying of sand and soil and this pond, my lord, letting rent on these JCBs, my lord. So, my lord, my brother, lordship will find I have seen, my lord, that notice was also issued. My brother's name is also there in this by the finance company since we have failed to pay the installments. So, these vehicle of my lord purchased by my brother only in my name. Lordship has got, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, when the Honorable High Court granted Jimma to these two vehicles, my lord, I also, my lord, applied a Jimma petition before the Honorable Court, my lord, which is at page 32. And the court also, my lord, allowed my Jimma petition, thereby giving custody of my vehicle, my lord. That vehicle in question 0909, my lord. Page 32 is the order, which is at 7/3/2023, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, now I'll come take your lordship to my arrest, my lord. On 6/10/2023, page number 13, the forwarding report, I was arrested, my lord, from my house.
Page number.
Page number 13, my lord. That is the forwarding report. I was arrested from my house, my lord, and thereafter, that is, my lord, almost after 1 year, 2 months, all throughout this, my lord, I was never asked to appear before the my lord, investigating officer, or they have never, my lord, inquired. I never made any attempt, my lord, also to arrest me. And thereafter, my lord, the prosecution, my lord, on 29/2/2024 filed charge sheet, which is at page 19, my lord. Page 19, my lord. And lordship peruses page 21. That is with respect to the details of this present petitioner, my lord. Shamim Ahmed, lordship will find at Roman 1. Then Roman 19, lordship may kindly peruse, my lord. Under which section I have been charged with, my lord? Section 25 and 29, my lord. So, my lord, my humble submission is that I have never, my lord, first of all, although this vehicle has been registered in my name, my lord, I am not the owner, but I cannot dispute at this stage, my lord, this aspect. First, my lord, I have not allowed this vehicle knowingly to be used for carrying these substances, my lord. Secondly, my lord, there was not a single material that suggests that I have some sort of complicity or have conspired, my lord, for carrying of these narcotic substances. And thereafter, my lord, now, my lord, it has already been more than a year, my lord, and the driver, my lord, who, my lord, in the FIR, it has been specifically stated that he is there, my lord, is still absconding. And now, my lord, in fact, after lapse
Driver
of,
is shown as an absconder in the chart.
yes, my lord, page 22, lordship, may kindly peruse for a moment. Suhail Ahmed Talukdar, my lord, page 22.
Okay.
So page 22, lordship has got, my lord. This is
Roman.
Roman 1, my lord. Suhail Ahmed
Suhail Ahmed.
Talukdar. And my lord, Roman 23, he has been charged with section 22C because,
Roman 23.
yes, my lord. So, my lord, in my humble respectful submission, my lord, neither I have the knowledge, my lord, nor I have made any conspiracy for carrying of these substances, my lord. And and another aspect that, my lord, I was not even present in the place of occurrence, my lord. I was arrested after 1 year, 2 months. Although I was very much present, my lord, in my house. Because I'm a family man. I have my family in the Kanimur district itself, my lord. I'm working also there. I have small shops, my lord. Grocery shops is also there. So, my lord, the bar of section 37, in my humble submission, my lord, will not perhaps be attracted in this case, my lord. That lordship will find not a single material which suggests that he has knowingly or he has made any conspiracy, my lord, for carrying of these substances. Now, my lord, for my second leg of argument, my lord, I'm just relying on few of the judgments, my lord, on my length of detention, my lord. I'm relying on, my lord. I have prepared a small compilation from lordship perusal. But Ravi Prakash, we all know, because it speaks of that prolonged incarceration will violate the fundamental right, my lord, in 21. Now, my lord, second serial number, second page 3 and 4, my lord. In this case, my lord, lordship will find this person was an owner of similar, my lord, owner of a truck, my lord, from where some 9075 bottles of Tafsira were recovered, my lord. May I just read my lord, one paragraph? Petitioner has been denied bail on so and so narcotic under section 21C, 22C, 29 of Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act. The allegation is that the petitioner was the owner of a truck which was alleged to be used for transportation of 9075 bottles of fentanyl. The petitioner is in custody since 5 August 2023. Charges have been framed, although in our cases, charges could not be framed. The prosecution proposes to examine 12 witnesses, 23 witnesses, 23 witnesses. Considering the above facts and circumstances, an early conclusion of the trial does not seem possible. Conscious as the court is of the provisions of Section 37 of NDPS Act, we are of the view that the petitioner should be released on bail. Subject to such terms and conditions, as may be imposed by special court so and so. So, my lordship has seen, my lord, that incarceration is also plays one of the factor, my lord, in consideration of bail. My lord. Second one is at page 5, similar, my lord. He also spent incarceration, was in jail for 11 months, my lord, and considering this prolonged incarceration, my lord, he was granted bail. Now, serial number 4, my lord. That person was accused of an offence, my lord, charged with under Section 21C, my lord. And if lordship requires, I can place the original judgment of Honorable Calcutta High Court, my lord. He was, my lord, apprehended with 436 bottles of my lord, cough syrup. But Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, in the interim, my lord, he was granted bail. Yes, because I'll just read paragraph 3, my lord. In the meantime, the petitioner accused is ordered to be released on interim bail subject to terms and conditions that the trial court may deem fit to impose, more particularly keeping in mind that the petitioner is in custody past almost 1 year till date. The trial court has not been able to even frame charge. So that was the interim order, my lord. And next page at page 8, my lord, lordship will find that interim was made absolute. Now, my lord, Shariful, I have relied another page 9, my lord, Shariful. That is, we often come across, my lord, where the Supreme Court has said that incarceration part was taken into consideration, my lord. And lastly, my lord, I have relied on honorable of this court, my lord, page 11, my lord. That is very much similar, my lord. In this case also, my lord, he was the owner of a vehicle, my lord. Paragraph 4, lordship page 12, if lordship permits me to read that part, my lord. Only I'll read the paragraph 4, my lord. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. So-and-so, that the accused is innocent and he is no way connected with the alleged offence. However, the case is charged sheeted against him along with one co-accused, and he is languishing in jail hazard for more than 1 year, and till date no witness could be examined by the learned sessions judge, and the case is still pending at the stage of production of the accused. It is further submitted that no contraband was seized from the petitioner and he never involved in the alleged offence. However, the police wrongly implicated him, alleging that some bags of contrabands were recovered, which is owned by the petitioner. It is a fact that the vehicle from where the contrabands were recovered is owned by the present accused petitioner, but he is not aware about the contraband which was allegedly recovered from his vehicle. So, my lord, in this case, he was also one of the owner, my lord, and he was also apprehended, my lord, because some contrabands of commercial quantity were recovered from his vehicle, my lord. So, lordship was pleased, my lord, in this case, considering the prolonged incarceration and, my lord, relying on Supreme Court judgments, was pleased to allow this petitioner to go on bail, my lord. So, my lord, in this case also, I am in incarceration for last, my lord. I have, my lord, completed almost more than, my lord, one year, my lord, 1 year, 6/10/2023. It is going to be 1 year, 1 month, my lord. So, lordship may kindly consider my prayer, my lord. I am a local person, my lord, residing within the jurisdiction of Karimganj district itself, my lord. So, I am not free from with any stringent condition. Lordship may kindly consider my prayer, my lord, at this stage.
That my lord, long incarnation, that is one of the issue, my lord. But here is, my lord, trial is in very nascent stage now. And my lord, without going
Trial started.
Not yet, my lord.
No,
Not
not yet, my lord. Charge is not from yet. Only for in the production stage. Lordship may direct product for the trial, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, he is a charge-sheeted person, my lord. If my lord, honorable court, my lord, interfere in this stage, my lord, the trial, my lord, definitely will suffer, my lord.
Lordship will put stringent condition, my lord. And my lord, one aspect.
That is understood that this kind of NDPS
Yes.
matter, once bail is granted, but it
And it
becomes
is
part of the
2022
procedure
similar.
attendance. But the similar some views have been expressed by the Honorable Supreme Court
Yes,
in
yes.
fact. But I know because I was a trial
Yes,
judge, so
yes,
I
yes.
know what kind of difficulty will face by the trial judges if those kind of people
Yes.
are, if he is not, that is understood, but same, at the same time, put the both,
Mm.
both has, I mean, the both the consideration of both sides. That, yeah.
And section
Any-
37 is also there. Because my lord, court has to satisfy itself that if he is granted bail, my lord, he will not engage in such type of activity again, my lord.
Yes,
That is the court has to satisfy.
very correct, my lord. My lord, with respect to that, my lord, submission of my learned senior, my lord, lordship will find page 22. He's not a, my lord, he has no criminal antecedent. And in these cases also, my lord, that part has been considered by this honorable court. And my lord, if I may please, the matter was last posted on 5/10/24 before the trial court, my lord. And trial court, my lord, fixed that matter on 6/1/2025, issuing NBWA.
5/10/24.
Yes, well, 5/10/24, it was
6/1.
6/1/25, my lord, for production.
No, it cannot be for production. Absolutely.
NBWA, since NBWA has issued, my lord.
For production, there may be, must have been another date also, because
There 1910 also, my lord, he was produced. Then 211, my lord, is there. But for, my lord, for report and other things, for it was fixed on 6/1/25, my lord. But so far, the section 37, my lord, senior has stated, my lord, lordship, in my humble submission, lordship will find there is not a single material, my lord, not even the charge sheet, my lord. In the charge sheet also, it is not stated that how or in what manner this person,
you are related by 25 and 29.
25 and 29, 25 and 29. My folder,
Estimate.
with folder and my submission is that, my lord, he will not evade. In fact, lordship has granted that bail, my lord. They are regularly appearing. I have inquired, my lord, and my lord, I also appear in some of the cases where this honorable court granted bail, but clients were appearing, my lord, because they know once they, my lord, default, the consequence is very much. They have no second option, my lord.
If he appears, it's very good.
Yes, my lord.
Otherwise,
It will be detrimental for them only, my lord. So, my lord, putting any stringent condition, my lord, if lordship may kindly consider my prayer at this stage. In lordship, if you request this order sheet, these are certified copies. These,
yes, you can keep.
my lord, xerox or
We'll put
certificate.
the dates.
This is their, my lord, court's order. These are.
No. We'll put the dates in the order.
Okay, my lord.
You can submit.
My lord.
We'll pass the order.
No.
Lengthy order. First,
My lord.